Hi, I'm Ayushi. I have been wearing glasses for the last 18 years, but yesterday I had my smile LASIK surgery and my experience was extremely painless and really good and comfortable. And now, after 18 years, today I woke up and I was feeling brand new, like I can see everything so nicely the next day after the surgery only. And when I came here, the staff is very, very, very excellent here, and especially like how things work here is very convenient. You don't have to worry about anything. And talking about Dr. Rupal Shah, she is like the most wonderful person I've ever met, and she's the best doctor you can like have a surgery with. And yeah, I would recommend everyone who is looking for a LASIK surgery, you should come here.
Hi, my name is Kushal Khanna. I've come from London. We came here for work, so I'm an accountant by profession. We came here for work for about a month, and I decided to come to Centres for Sight for laser eye surgery. I went for the smile surgery. This is because I'd done a lot of research before coming to Baroda, and I basically wanted only smile. I found Dr. Rupal online via Google, and she seemed like the best doctor, the only one really that was offering this type of surgery locally. So I opted for that, and I came to see Dr. Rupal. She was very calming, made me feel at ease, and she was really good. I went through a lot of tests on the first day, which was really great. They went through lots of different tests, and it was pretty straightforward. I think the test took longer than the surgery, actually. So the surgery was only about 10-15 minutes at most before I was out. My wife got to watch the surgery, which was amazing for her as well. And it was great. The whole experience so far has been amazing, and I can now see. I just had a test which is showing better than 20/20. I can't thank Dr. Rupal enough for what I can see now and the change that has come. So I'm very happy. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kinjal Patel, and I'm a content marketer and image consultant. I've been wanting to get corrective surgery for my vision for a few years now, but the downtime and not being able to wash your face, shower, or go to work was not something I could manage with my work schedule. And then recently, when I was thinking about it again, I came across this new technology called the smile eye surgery, and found out that the pioneer of it, the one who performed the first ever smile surgery, was Dr. Rupal Shah from Baroda. And so I made an appointment to come see her. And what I loved about this entire place is how transparent everything is and how smooth sailing. It took a while for the first visit, but everything was, I didn't have to wait a long time. I moved from one cabin to another getting my eye tests, and then actually met with Dr. Rupal, who explained what needed to happen. And then the counselor, scheduled my surgery. She also clarified what to do, what not to do with before and after the surgery. And then scheduled my surgery the very next week. I came in yesterday to get my surgery. I was here at the max half an hour when I came in, filled my paperwork in. The surgery itself probably took about 10 to 15 minutes. I felt no discomfort whatsoever. And then within 10 minutes of that, I was home. I was told that the same day, I definitely did not wash your face or your hair that day or the next day, but I was able to, watch TV and use my phone. I just came back for my consultation to just get my checkup this is the next morning, and I'm cleared to do everything. I'm cleared to go back to the office right away, which is brilliant. It saves me a lot of time. The staff and everyone here, the personnel here, is brilliantly trained and very courteous, very professional. And one of the things I love the most about this place is my time wasn't wasted. So thank you.
Follow Planet LASIK and post your queries to get answers from the experts.